Hey folks, just getting out ready to go for a winter ride. I hope you're doing well. Just putting some air in my tires and getting ready to go. My brother is on the way actually, so we're going to take a ride together. I'm going to try out the new GoPro and yeah, hope you stick around.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey folks, we're getting ready to leave now. My brother Stan's back there. We're gonna go for a ride and see what we see. Nowhere in particular, just do some trails and stuff and try the bike out. You can see all the snow. This is gonna give it a good test. So we'll see how it goes and yeah, we'll see you on the trail. All right, we're rolling. So.
check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Yeah, right on it.
just got back. My brother just left, so we drove around for about 2 hours. Pretty cool, getting snowy out, and just heading in now. Warm up a little bit. My hands are cold. Everything else was really good. Hopefully, I got some good GoPro footage for you. If you see this, then I at least got something. Otherwise, I didn't make the video. Yeah, that's it. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you later. See you in the next video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and take it easy. I'm in the house eating bean chili.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
All right, we're rolling, so.
And I won't say what I was going to say.
All right.